I want to turn it over to the brother Joan to speak at this time.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is a really difficult situation, but we are overwhelmed of the massive condolence we received, and this is probably because the Escobar Camprubí family was a really loved family. So thank you for that to all of you. Second, I want to stand that they left together, they left without suffering, and they left with a smile on their faces. And that's important for us. As a family, we want to remind and honor their happiness and their smile forever. And you can imagine we are trying to assimilate all this situation. We want to move the bodies as soon as possible back home with all the family to rest in peace together in our place. But also we want to thank all the institutional support that we received, starting from Spain, from also Catalonia, from US, New York, New Jersey. Everybody has been supporting us, and especially also Siemens as company where Mercè and Agustin were working has supported also a lot during this process. And taking advantage that is also a Spanish media, I will want to say that Agus, Mercè, Agus Junior, Mercè Junior, Víctor, sempre estareu amb nosaltres i els nostres cors. Nunca os olvidaremos y vamos a mantener vuestra sonrisa viva cada día en nuestras vidas, y eso creo que es el mejor legado que os podemos dar. Gracias.